Psychology says people who treat their birthday like a normal day aren't cold, ungrateful, or emotionless. In reality, their mind works in a way most people never notice, and the reasons behind it reveal a lot about who they truly are. 1. They don't seek external validation. Many people enjoy birthdays because they love attention, celebration, and being recognized. But some people simply don't rely on external validation to feel valued. They don't need a special day to feel important. Their self-worth comes from within. Psychologists call this low social dependency, and it's common in emotionally independent personalities. 2. Their brain doesn't like forced social pressure. Birthdays often come with expectations. Be happy, celebrate, host people, smile, be social. For some minds, this forced performance feels draining, not exciting. Their nervous system prefers natural interactions, not situations where they have to feel a certain way. So treating the day normally feels more peaceful. 3. They reflect more than they celebrate. Psychologists say birthdays trigger a cognitive process called self-evaluation. Some people feel the weight of time passing more deeply, not in a sad way, but in a reflective way. Instead of partying, their mind shifts toward, where am I in life? What changed? What didn't? This reflection makes a quiet day more meaningful than a loud celebration. 4. They dislike being the center of attention. Not because they're insecure, but because their social wiring doesn't crave spotlight moments. Being the focus can activate mild social vigilance. All eyes, all expectations, all reactions. A normal day feels more authentic and less performative. 5. They value genuine connection over rituals. For these individuals, a random deep conversation on an ordinary day means more than a birthday post. Psychology calls this quality over ritual preference. They care more about real interactions than calendar-based traditions. 6. They emotionally regulate differently. Some brains avoid emotional spikes, even positive ones, because highs are followed by crashes. So keeping the day simple helps them stay emotionally balanced. This isn't detachment, it's mental regulation. So if you're someone who treats your birthday like any other day, you're not strange. Your psychology leans toward independence, reflection, and emotional balance, qualities that actually make you more self-aware than you realize. If you want more psychology videos that explain your behaviors in a way nobody ever has, hit that subscribe button right now, because the next video might uncover another part of your personality you've never noticed.